fish. I'm getting nervous. Do you know if the whale eater is strong? Can the two of us defeat it?
It is huge, so we'll be eaten if we let our guard down.
Oh, no way!
But don't... Ultimate weapon.
Oh, you did? You're always thinking ahead. There's nothing to worry about then.
Yep, but first, let's hurry and search the village for survivors.
Oh, you're right. Is
Hi
anyone
guys.
left?
Ugh, the village is in terrible shape. Wait, is this blood? There's
Sino
blood
yun?
everywhere.
Kulong mo.
And the house is all destroyed.
This is terrible.
It's really bad. Survivors.
They're all gone.
Hold up, there's someone over there. It's a survivor.
Really?
Come on. Oh, hi there. We heard there was a whale eater attack. Are you okay?
Are you all right?
So guys, mag-kakalibrate tayo ng Sight Master.
Oh, the giant octopus ate everyone except for you?
Oh no! I'm sorry.
His parents sacrificed themselves to save him.
Oh, JJ, we have to beat the whale eater. Huh? What's over here?
This was a ranch.
Oh,
The whale eater must have eaten all the livestock.
that's terrible. There's so much blood.
Mikey, if we don't stop the whale eater, it'll keep attacking villages. It eats humans and lays
Hey
eggs.
guys,
feeding more whale
mag-kakalibrate
eaters.
tayo
We
ng
gotta
Sight
do
Master
something
ngayon.
or we're all doomed.
No.
Ito, itong
We have
brand.
to stop the whale eater
Ambitso.
before that happens. Let's go,
Ambitso
JJ.
Sight Master.
It must live in the ocean near this village. We'll use your ultimate weapon to fight it. Here I go.
Hold up. We can't go in like that.
Why not?
The whale eater is a nocturnal creature and sleeps really deep in the ocean during the day.
Oh,
We'll need diving suits and a submarine.
huh. I guess we're going really deep. Huh? What's wrong? Oh, you want to come with us to avenge your parents? But it's dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous. You should wait for us in the village.
Yep, leave avenging your parents to us.
Let's go, Mikey.
Okay, let's go.
Uh,
Huh?
it's too dangerous to take you with us.
JJ, let's take him with us. I know what it's like. I want to stop the whale eater too after seeing how it ate those mama turtles.
Ayan guys,
Well,
kuha na natin
fine.
itong
But
Sight
I'm letting
Master.
you know it's gonna be dangerous. All right, let's change into diving suits.
Thanks, JJ. I'll protect you no matter what
Ayan guys, nakauna.
happens.
Bali, dalawa ito. Dalawa itong Sight Master.
All right, we should be far out enough here.
Hmm,
It's time to change into our diving suits.
okay.
So now, I'll put this on. All right, I also brought laser guns
Hintayin
for
natin
us.
mag-initialize.
Oh,
Here's the ammo, and let's also bring flashlights with us, just in case.
Ayan, loading. Application loading na siya. 5%.
we're ready to dive deep into the ocean.
So, here's the plan. If we find the whale eater, we'll be careful not to wake
5%
it up.
pa lang.
And I'll place my
25% na.
ultimate weapon and retreat immediately.
Got it. I'll keep you safe, little guy.
Let's get into our submarines.
All right.
Let's climb in. We're all on board.
And
Now let's dive down.
still loading.
Right. We'll definitely find the whale eater and beat it. Whoa, there are so many fish.
Amazing. We're
Ayan,
pretty far out, so there are so many types of fish.
75%.
Wow, there all so pretty.
25% loading.
The whale eater could be anywhere.
You worry too much. The whale eater sleeps during the day, so we're fine.
We haven't found any sign of the
Thank
whale
you guys sa pagbisita sa ating channel.
Whoa. That's a
Bali,
sunken
magka-calibrate tayo ng Android Site Master.
ship. Listen up. This ship
Yeah.
might have been sunk by the
This
whale
equipment
eater.
ito, pang
Sink ships
antena
this
ng
big?
telecom.
It can. Let's search
Ayan,
the
guys.
ship for clues.
Touchscreen ito pati. Yan o, touchscreen.
I hope this leads us to the whale eater.
Touchscreen siya.
We'll find it and beat it.
Set natin yung distance. Yung estimated na
Nothing over here.
distance na
JJ,
susukatin natin na wire.
Where?
down here.
Set natin yung distance.
Here?
There are doors
Ayan,
here.
touchscreen siya. Bali, nakaset na siya ng 10 meters.
Okay, but be careful.
Is there anything in here? Huh?
Mikey!
What? Ouch!
Watch out,
Ayan
Mikey!
guys, namatay yung ilaw.
Phew. Are you kidding?
Didn't expect a killer shark to pop out.
Me neither.
Tapos set natin yung frequency.
Hurt. But thanks for saving me.
Frequency niya.
Still, no sign of the whale eater.
Yeah,
Start frequency.
got it.
Continue.
Can't seem to find any clues.
We haven't found any leads.
860
Look!
Oh,
megahertz.
this is an ocean monument.
Ano the stop frequency niya
Leads us
is
to the whale eater.
2100 megahertz.
It's huge in here.
Yan na guys.
Whoa, it really is.
Then, i-calibrate na natin siya.
There's nothing here.
Calibration.
Well, maybe there's a clue in here
Start
somewhere.
calibration.
Hold up. There's something over
Set
here.
natin yung clicks.
Look,
Ito
over
yung
here,
mga
there's
accessories niya guys.
a trap door.
Bali natin yung accessories niya.
All right, we're going inside.
Pang
What
calibrate.
if another shark pops out?
Ito,
I'm scared.
Well, we'll be careful.
ito yung flex cable.
Here goes. Open up.
Saka ito naman yung dummy load niya.
Okay.
I wonder what's down there. I hope it's safe.
Whoa, this is.
Huh? Look at this. Diamonds and
I-calibrate
gold
na natin.
everywhere. What's all this?
No trace of the whale eater, but we found.
Ayan, may instruction siya guys. Ayan yung flex cable niya. Masabi niya.
Oh, let's open it.
What's inside?
3, 2, 1. Open up.
Tanggalin lang natin doon yung dummy load.
Amazing. It's full of diamonds and gold ingots.
This is awesome.
Ito yung flex cable.
Woohoo!
Where's the little guy?
Ito yung flex cable. Pakabit natin yan dito.
Where is he?
Where'd
Dito
he go?
sa...
Huh?
Ito. Yung pinaka-power meter niya.
You're right. Little guy.
Pakabit natin dyan.
Oh, it looks like he found a pendant in
Pakabit
the
natin
treasure.
itong kable na to.
This was the pendant your mother was wearing when the whale eater ate her?
That means the whale eater might be in here.
Ito yung kable na to.
But isn't the whale eater incredibly huge? Can it even fit down there?
Ayan yung flex cable niya.
Octopi are soft-bodied
Kasi itong
creatures,
kabilang
so they can slip
dulo
through
ng
tight
kable.
spaces. We'll have to go down there.
Seriously?
Gamit naman natin dito sa kabila.
Going into this cave?
Itong RF
That's our only
nakalagay
choice.
na
Remember the
connector.
plan. When we find the whale eater, we'll sneak up on it
Ito,
and place my
lagyan natin
ultimate
dito.
weapon. Then we'll get out of there.
You're right. It's a nocturnal creature, so it'll be asleep.
Let's head in.
Kita lang natin.
I wonder if we'll find it.
Tapos,
JJ, it's getting darker.
call method.
I can't see what's in
Instacal.
front of me.
Yan na yun.
Yeah, okay then.
And then measure.
Use these
Click na
lanterns
natin
and
itong
place them
measure
along the way.
para makakalibrate.
Like this.
Oh,
Yan. Ongoing na. Calibration na.
Let's place them as we
Naka-calibrate niya
go.
na.
good idea.
Automatic calibration
Now
yan
I
siya
see
guys.
better.
The whale eater
Yan.
might be up ahead,
Measuring
so
load.
let's be quiet so we don't wake it.
Port 1.
That's right.
Calibration complete.
I wonder what it's like up
Ayan,
ahead.
complete na siya guys.
I'm
Naka-calibrate.
scared.
Tapos test na natin ang yung
Okay, it
wire,
splits into two.
yung
Which way
RF
do you
cable.
go?
Okay.
Test na tayo ng RF cable.
Got it. This way.
Bali dito natin kakabit yung ano, yung wire na test natin.
We need to avenge
Dito.
the little guy's mom.
Set natin.
All right.
Distant to fault return.
I only have four
Makikita niya
left.
dito guys kung gaano kahaba yung wire.
It's too dark to see anything, so we have to use them. Oh no! That was my last one.
Aw,
What now?
we have no choice but to go on without lanterns. I brought flashlights just in case, but we have to be careful with them. The brightness might wake up the whale eater.
Got it.
Ito yung wire na test natin.
Where's the little guy?
Yan na. 1 meter ito.
This is bad, Mikey. He'll be in
Yan, 1
trouble if he
meter.
gets lost in a place like this.
Test natin itong 1 meter na kable.
He might have gone on without us.
I-display niya dito guys kung ilang meter.
Right. Where did he go?
Marker. Lagyan natin
Where
marker.
is he? Seriously, where did he go?
Yan, napapansin nyo guys.
Where'd he go?
Yan.
What's this?
Marker 1. 0-0. Kasi wala pang wire na nakakabit.
Cavern.
You're
Ito
right.
yung 1 meter na
But it's
kable.
too dark to see anything.
Sabit natin dito.
Where are you, little guy? Where could he have gone? Oh, JJ, let's turn our
Makikita nyo
flashlights
doon
on.
sa display.
Here's mine. And where's the button?
I-display niya kung ilang metro ito.
There he is.
Oh,
I-set na natin yung marker.
We're so glad you're okay.
Marker to pick. Ayan guys ah. Papansin nyo. 1 meter.
this is bad, everyone.
Makikita nyo. 1 meter. Ang mahaba nito.
Whale eater. Mission abort. Let's get out of here. Hurry up.
Pag may putol ito guys, makikita din dito.
Hurry.
This is bad.
Faster, everyone. The whale
Set mo lang yung ano, click mo lang yung marker to pick. Makikita na yung kung saan doon dahil magkaroon ng problema.
It's right behind us.
Kasi ito yung
Faster.
0.5 meters. Dudugtong natin dito.
Let's move.
Yung 1 meter na dinidisplay niya, madadagdagan na po ng 0.5 meters. Tapos, dugtong natin. Dugtong natin.
It's still behind us.
Dugtong natin itong 0.5 meters.
Quickly, Mikey. Hurry, everyone. Faster.
We've got this.
It's coming.
Maging 1.5 meters dapat ito.
All right, hurry up.
Okay.
Ayan.
Coming.
Click natin ang marker to pick. Ayan guys 1.5 meters. Ayan. Yan yung pag-test. Itong equipment na guys, ito na yung equipment pa guys ay pang test ng ano,
Close.
RF cable
You're safe
sa
too,
mga
little guy.
telecom
What are we gonna do now?
industry.
The plan didn't go too well.
Malalaman nila kung gaano kung saan banda nagkaroon ng problema yung kable.
The whale eater never lets its
For
prey
example,
get away,
nasa loob
so
ng
it's gonna
building.
keep following us.
Nasa loob ng kisame yung
We'll have to return to the village and fight it on
mga
land.
kable. Mahirap mag-trace yun kung saan banda yung putol o naipit na wire. Sa pamamagitan nitong equipment,
All right.
We're back.
makikita kung saan banda yung magkaroon ng problema na kable.
Good.
Kaya mas mabilis ang
Let's prepare
pag-trace
a
ng
good
problem.
security system.
But JJ, we don't have anything to build it with.
Well, good thing I have this.
Okay na itong isa guys. Bali, dalawa ito eh.
There.
Dalawa itong pinapakalibrate.
It's full of materials.
I put materials in a shelter box for
Dalawa ito.
emergencies just like this.
Tigas lang tanggalin.
Now let's prep our security system.
Yeah.
The first security is landmines.
Bali, dalawa ito.
They're for when the whale eater comes on the land.
That's a good plan.
Yan yung isa.
We'll place the landmines all over the beach.
Yan yung isa yung kakalibrate natin.
When it climbs onto land, we'll use the landmines against it.
I see.
Okay, they're all set.
Sunod na natin yung isa.
Probably enough.
Sweet.
Yung isa na may kakalibrate natin
Just
guys.
stop the whale eater. We're safe now.
Isa na may kakalibrate natin.
Let's prepare more security just to be safe. The whale eater has really thick skin.
This should be enough. But okay.
Yung isa.
Alrighty, let's move on. Next, let's build super powerful TNT cannons.
Super powerful.
Dalawa itong yung pinaka-calibrate.
Yep, watch.
Huh?
I'll build it over here.
Impressive.
On din natin itong isa guys. Para makalibrate natin.
Alright. Now I just need to pour out a
Bali,
bucket of
dalawa
water
itong
here.
kakalibrate natin.
Then I'll put ladders right here.
Yung isa.
Okay. Next, I'll put dispensers up here, like this.
Ito yung isa guys. Medyo ito. Tapos na natin makalibrate
Now
ito.
I'll put TNT inside of it, just like this.
Isa naman. On natin yun.
Alright, they're all
Para
loaded.
makalibrate natin ito.
Next, I'll hook up a redstone circuit.
So bagong pasok dyan guys. Ang ginagawa natin ngayon ay
Button over here.
magkakalibrate tayo ng site master.
Okay.
Ang site master na ito guys ay pang test ito ng kable sa mga telecom
Then I'll
company.
place a sticky piston here.
Pwede rin to sa ano guys, mga antena ng
Then I'll
TV station, radio station. Yan.
I'll finish by
Ito
hooking
yung
up the redstone
pang test
circuit.
nila ng kable.
Alright, it's
Pero kadalasan ginagamit sa telecom.
when this super
Sa mga
powerful TNT
tower,
cannon is activated, it'll launch a
saka sa
huge
building.
amount of TNT. Having only one cannon makes
Kasi
me a
pagdating
bit
sa building,
nervous. So
maraming
let's make
kable
two
yan.
more.
Yung
Can you guys build them?
nakikita nyo sa kisame, yung pinaka indoor antenna ng
Now we have three
cellphone.
TNT cannons.
Ayan yung
It's
kabling
amazing. The little
tinetest
guy built
nila.
one by himself.
When the whale eater
Ito yung pang
attacks,
test.
we'll fight back with our massive TNT cannons.
ng kable.
With these
RF
three
cable.
awesome cannons, it won't stand
Yan,
a
guys.
chance.
Applications loading
If this can't beat it,
75%.
I'll have to use my ultimate weapon.
Hintayin lang natin, matagal ang pag-loading.
I was wondering about that. What exactly is this
Habang
ultimate
naglo-loading siya,
Well, Mikey, take a
kunin
look.
natin yung
Ta-da!
mga accessories niya. Ito, accessories niya. Ito yung flex cable. Ito yung pang-calibrate ng mga kable niya. Ayan, at kasama na siyang charger. Ayan yung mga charger niya.
The whale eater will think it's eating you. Then I'll use this remote.
Habang ongoing pa yung calibration, ay yung mag-initialize pa siya.
Whale eater will be able to
Ayan,
survive
tapos
a
na.
nuclear
Tapos na siya
bomb
mag-initialize.
It won't stand a chance.
All right, let's get building.
Okay.
First,
First, let's build a fairly sturdy
Balik.
shelter.
set
We
natin
need
yung
a shelter?
frequency.
Fairly sturdy and not super sturdy.
frequency.
We'll make the whale eater
860.
The plan is to purposely
Ano yung
let it
frequency ng
destroy the
LTE
shelter
guys?
so it eats
Yan
the
ang mga
mighty
alam kong
nuclear
frequency.
bomb that we're eating inside.
Tapos yung
Nice.
Let's get down
stop
building it right
frequency
here.
niya ay 2,100 megahertz.
That's probably big enough.
Yan.
Can you two help me build the walls?
Tapos yung set natin yung distance.
I'll replace the floor with blocks of iron.
Distance 0
Oh, I ran out.
0 meters.
Okay.
Tapos yung stop distance niya is 10 meters. Ayan.
Thanks.
And then,
I'll put iron doors
kakalibrate
here.
na natin. Yan.
Then
Start
I'll attach a
calibration
ladder and put redstone torches beneath them.
method.
I'll hook up repeaters
Instacal
to the redstone
calibration.
circuit.
Ito yung pang-calibrate niya.
And now we have fairly steady doors.
Whoa.
Ayan,
With the
tanggalin natin
mighty-shaped
itong
nuclear bomb,
pinakadami load.
the shelter's complete.
Wow. This
Tapos
ultimate
to,
weapon looks just like me.
lagay natin dito
It'll
sa
be fooled.
Now let's plan our escape so we
power
don't get
meter.
caught in
Power
the
meter ito
explosion.
guys.
Okay.
I'll turn this hole
Ang
in the
test
back
ng
wall into a secret exit.
Wow.
halimbawa yung binabato ng signal ng ng equipment. Kasi may pang test din ito ng power, ng RF power na guys. Kung gaano kalakas
I'll attach a
yung
lever
signal
over
ng
here. Alright,
RF equipment nila.
Awesome.
now will be able to escape through the secret exit.
Ito yung pang-calibrate niya. Pinukunik lang tong dalawang
However,
port.
we'll still be too close and get caught up in
Kukunik
the
lang tong
blast.
dalawang port.
So, let's build some minecarts to escape further away.
Nasa kabilang dulo dito.
So,
RF out. Ito yung
I know. Let's extend the
dito
tracks to
kinukunik yung
join
ano, yung
those
mga
clips.
kable natin i-test.
Okay,
Ito.
Set this and we can extend the tracks this way.
Natin dyan.
right.
Kunik natin dyan.
I'll place some redstone.
And then, may share na natin.
Now I want the tracks to take us up from
Sure.
here so we can make them
Ayan.
upward from inside the mountain.
Yan. Nakakalibrate na siya.
Let's keep laying out more tracks.
Pinakalibrate na. Automatic siya.
Here.
Mas modili ito ngayon guys kasi touchscreen na siya. Yung mga luma kasi nito hindi siya touchscreen na saka black and white. Ito colored na.
This is great. We'll be safe up here.
Parang cellphone na
Well, let's wait
touchscreen.
for night to fall.
Yeah,
Yan guys. Tapos na siya makalibrate.
it's nighttime.
Mag-test tayo ng kable ngayon.
Show up soon.
Try natin.
But it's so quiet. It doesn't seem like it's
Yan,
coming.
di ba walang
Maybe
set
it
natin yung
won't show
marker.
up today.
Don't let your guard
Marker
down,
to-
Mikey. I have a feeling it's
Ngayon.
coming.
You really think
Ito,
so?
tanggalin muna natin pala
I
itong
don't think
nakakonect
it's
ko.
coming though. JJ, look at that!
The wind meter! It's finally here. Let's fight it off with our security.
Dito na kapit yung kable na test
Once the
natin.
wheel eater is on land, we'll fight it off with all of our landmines.
I really hope the landmines
Yung
will
marker to
work.
pick. Yan ngayon, zero.
It's bigger
Yan
than I
guys, oh,
thought.
zero.
It's huge.
Zero meter. Kasi wala pang kable.
Security landmines. This'll work.
It's out of the water.
Here it comes. We'll be fine.
Pagkita natin ng kable. Ito.
They detonated.
Yung wire na
Yay!
1 meter ito.
Damage.
Nice. All right. Go.
Yan lang yung available natin ng wire.
Closer.
1 meter.
The landmines aren't powerful
1
enough.
meter lang available natin ng wire. Kaya ito lang matetest natin. Kurang natin dito.
Mikey, little guy, let's go activate the
Test
TNT
natin.
cannons.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Gotta hurry. All right.
Then,
Lure it this way, then
marker to pick.
Okay.
Ayan guys, 1 meter.
now everyone.
Bibita niya yung 1 meter.
Really gotta stop it. We'll avenge the landmines mom and dad and all those turtles.
Relax.
Take this.
Tapos dagdagan natin ng
Is it working? It's gotta be working. Keep firing.
0.5 meters.
Working.
Ito guys, ito yung 0.5 meters na kable. Bali, dadagdan natin dito. Dugtong natin dito.
Broke your TNT cannon?
Ito natin yung dyan.
This can't be happening.
It won't launch.
Yeah, not the little guy's TNT.
Kasi kanina, nasa 1 meter, dinagdagan natin ngayon ng kalaping metro. Marker tip natin guys. Ayan guys, 1.5 meters. Nakikita niyo itong kable. 1.5 meters lahat.
It's too strong.
Ang haba.
Let's head to the shelter and use our ultimate weapon. We have to make it believe we ran into the shelter.
Got it.
Quickly,
Ayan guys.
hurry up. Okay. Close this.
Phew.
Ayan.
Are we safe?
Let me check.
1.5 meters. Marker to pick.
Here.
It's attacking.
Ayan.
It's shaking so much.
Hurry into the minecarts to escape.
Let's go.
Ayan ito isa.
Everyone grab a minecart. The shelter's being attacked. Hurry.
Okay, let's go. What?
Bali, dalawa to guys. Oh.
It's not
Double check natin ulit yung isa.
No way.
Double check natin yung isa.
Attack broke the tracks. What? We won't be able to escape.
Double check natin itong isa.
Oh, you're fixing the track?
You had spare
Start
rails?
frequency.
This is amazing.
Nice.
we still need a redstone
Start
signal.
frequency 860 megahertz.
Huh?
Stop frequency
What are you doing?
2100 megahertz.
He activated the rails with the
Complete
pressure
good.
plates.
Yay! Wait, that's the memento from his mother.
Distance 0 meters. Stop
We have
distance
no choice. We'll die
10
if we don't go.
meters.
Oh, okay.
And then connect natin to.
Thank you, little guy.
Ito yung pang calibrate. Ito kable na to. Flex cable.
It's destroying the
Flex cable. Connect natin dito sa power meter.
Great.
We made it.
Sa mga bago dyan guys, ang ginagawa natin ngayon ay nagtitest tayo, nagka-calibrate tayo ng site master.
Let's check on
Ang
the
site
wheel
master
here.
na to guys ay ginagamit sa mga telecom
It's destroying the
company
shelter.
para pang test ng mga RF cable nila. Yan sa mga cell site.
It's gone.
Cell site
But that was the plan.
kung saan doon tayo nakakunik yung mga cellphone natin, mga gadgets natin para magkaroon ng signal. Yan, calibrate natin.
Mikey bomb.
Calibrate natin na ngayon.
3, 2, 1.
Start calibration. Bali set natin to kasi ito ibang method ng pang calibrate ay itong ginamit natin. Meron tayong flex cable na kasama.
And
We did it.
Ipalitan natin yung method instacal yung tawag dito. Yan, instacal yung kable na ito. Yan, tapos be sure.
I thought we were done for.
Yan,
Thanks for
ika-calibrate
saving
na
us,
siya.
little guy.
Now we're finally safe.
Not yet, Mikey. Our world still has
Measuring
many
low.
dangerous invaders. We need to stop them so we
Ayan
can
guys,
keep
calibration
humanity
complete.
safe.
Ayan, tanggalin natin ito. Tanggalin natin ito. Para mag-test tayo ng RF cable. Ayan, dito natin ikakabit yung RF cable.
Enjoyed today's adventure. Make sure to like and
Bali, meron tayong RF cable dito guys. 1 meter lang. Ayan lang. 1 meter. Nakasulat. Length. 1 meter. Test natin ito guys. Connect natin dito. Yung 1 meter natin na kable. Connect natin yun dyan. Support my channel. Turn on. Turn on. Kaplit ka. Wala mo ko. Para may okay. Ayan guys, connect natin yan.
Viewers at home, I am currently on a ship
Tapos
in the
yung
Cursed
marker.
Sea. A variety of strange phenomena
natin yung
are said to
marker.
take place here.
Naka-marker 1 na siya.
Seems like nothing's happening at the moment.
Marker to
Perhaps
peak.
the phenomena were
Ayan guys,
just
1
rumors.
meter.
Oh, I know. I'll do something
Almost.
safe.
1.2. Medyo maluwag yan. Kaya mayroong
Down the hatch.
dos na yung mga losses yan. Dito yan sa mga connector.
What? Did the ocean just get darker?
Tapos dadagdagan natin ng ano,
What's that? No way!
ng
Giant tentacles?
0.5 meters. Ayan. Kalating metro. Idudugtong natin dito.
What was that?
That's a giant squid known as the Kraken. It's actually
Look
real. It'll become super dangerous if it's left alone. We need to
At
slay the
dito,
Kraken before it
connect
can
natin
escape
yung
the
ano,
cursed sea.
dadagdag natin yung
Huge.
kalating metro.
The Kraken drags humans to the depths of the sea
Dagdag
and
natin dyan.
drowns them there. That's why if we don't do something, the Kraken will destroy everything. Let's investigate
Sorry,
the cursed
guys.
sea for signs of the Kraken.
Inuubo.
I'm scared, but it'd be awful if there were any more casualties.
Okay, let's go. We've come to the cursed sea.
So this is it, huh?
The Kraken lurks in the depths of the sea and rises to the top when it spots its prey.
So the Kraken lives at the
spy
guys.
by it and set up several security measures beneath the ship.
Inuubo tayo ngayon. Malamig kasi
Lure the
dito sa
Kraken
amin.
out and slay it.
Kaya inuubo yung mga tao.
A security system below
Para
the
tayong sa
ship,
bagyo.
huh?
Malamig.
We might actually be able to slay it.
Let's take the Kraken down right here and prevent it from causing any more trouble.
EBW1.
First, let's put on these diving suits
Hi sir.
so we can build
Thank you for
underwater.
coming. Bali itong ginagawa ko sir ay nagpa-calibrate ako ng Sight Master.
Still, the sea feels scarier when you know there's a kraken down there.
Op,
This is the
nangyari.
cursed sea after all.
Ooh.
Let's hurry to build our
Nalos yung
security system for the Kraken.
ilaw natin
It's
guys.
extremely vicious. Alright, my team.
Ayan.
Let's put our first security measure over here.
Bali dalawa itong kinakalibrate natin guys.
Depth charges.
Depth charges?
Yep, they're explosives that detonate on contact. They're kind of like underwater landmines.
That'll be good. Okay, let's build them.
I'll start by using a command right over here.
Bali okay na itong isa.
Alright, just like that.
Ilang palit-ulitin natin
Let's
yung
lock it
calibrate.
Now we set it up like this.
Oh, I see.
That looks good. Now the TNT looks so obvious that the Kraken will probably realize these are depth charges. So we're gonna have to
Ayan,
camouflage.
bali okay na itong isa. Open natin to.
Let's surround it with iron.
Good idea.
That should do it. We want to put a
Ayan,
stop to the
shutting down.
Kraken, so we'll
Instrument
hide the
shutting
TNT
down.
like this.
Oh,
Ito yung isa guys.
Put spikes around the outside that will trigger the TNT.
Press natin ulit ang isa.
Charges if you touch them. Be careful while you set them up. If the Kraken touches the spikes, the depth
Ito naman isa guys. Oh.
load.
interesting.
Let's make more of these. We're gonna make so many that the Kraken won't be able to avoid them. Alright, we have a massive amount of depth charges. I think this will be enough to slay the Kraken.
Awesome. With this many depth charges, there's
Bali dalawa ito guys eh.
a chance.
Tapungan muna natin itong isa.
But still, the Kraken is
Shutting
terrifying,
down.
Mikey. We need to think about what we'll do if this doesn't stop it.
Ito yung isa. Oh.
I think it'll be severely weakened by these depth charges. So
Ito muna. Ito muna natin yung calibrate natin.
here, and we can catch the Kraken.
Okay.
We'll try to capture it above the depth charges. We're making a capture and security.
That sounds great.
First up,
Ayan.
I'll use a command to
Loading pa
place a
siya.
temporary block. Then, I'll place a
Recall and characterization done. Recall and characterization done 50%.
fishing nets. These are the capture nets.
50%.
Run a redstone signal through the dispenser. The nets are released.
Whoa. Awesome.
Next, I'll copy the dispenser with the capture nets and place more of them.
Ayan, may instruction siya kung paano gamitin. Wait muna tayo guys, waiting.
Alright, we made a square. Moving on, let's fill in the center
Ulitin mo
area
din
with a massive
while
net.
initialize the unit. Waiting tayo habang initialize siya.
Alright, our giant Kraken capturing device is done.
Sa mga baguhan natin viewers dyan,
The device. I'll use
bali
the remote to activate the security
magka-calibrate tayo ng Sight Master ngayon. Yan guys, oh.
dispensers, trapping the Kraken inside.
Andretso yung brand. Ito yung model niya. ST31L. Cable and antenna analyzer.
Out of our capture net, I think it's a good idea to install torpedoes
Set
on
muna
our ship.
natin yung
Security torpedoes?
That's
set
right.
natin yung
They're the
frequency.
ultimate underwater missiles.
They sound powerful.
First up, let's modify the bottom of the ship.
Frequency.
I'll make a torpedo
Start
launcher right
frequency
here.
ay
Alrighty then.
860
Launchers out of sturdy
megahertz.
blocks of iron.
Yan yung frequency ng ano guys, LTE.
Now to turn
Yeah,
this into a
pag tinetest nila yung LTE na kable. Ito naman stop frequency niya. 2,100 megahertz.
torpedo launchers. I'll make a copy
Yeah.
on the opposite side.
Tapos yung distance. Distance. 0 meter. Set natin ng 0 meters. Tapos yung stop distance niya ay kasi kaya hanggang 10 meters lang set natin guys kasi 1.5 meters lang yung kable natin. Ayun. Pero kung mas mahaba yung kable nilang tinitest, kataasan nila yung settings ng distance ng wire.
Like this to drain the water. All right.
Ayun, calibrate.
The water's ready.
Calibrate natin.
One next. I'll put in the first missile. I'll start with one right
Ito
here.
yung flex cable niya.
All right.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Connect lang natin dito
Enough
yung
to
flex
launch the
cable.
missiles, so I'll hook up a redstone circuit.
Nice.
I'll use
Ay.
redstone dust.
Bago pala natin ikakalibrate
How should I hook
guys,
up the torpedo
set
launcher?
muna natin yung
See, maybe something
time
like
niya.
that.
Date and time.
I'll leave the
Set
activation
muna
lever
natin.
over here. If we pull it,
And bali ano ngayon ay
torpedo.
Sunday ano,
Now let's do the other one.
September 8. Tama naman. Kasi yung time ay 10:46
All right,
AM.
done.
Tama
Now
na
our
yan.
security
Enter
torpedoes
na
are
lang
complete.
natin.
If the Kraken rises from below,
Ayan
we'll
guys,
pull this lever
bali
and
kita mo
fire
muna
2 torpedoes at it.
That's incredible. With these torpedoes in place, we'll wipe out that Kraken in
Kita nga para makalibrate
Next
natin.
up, we need to make an underwater entrance so we can use it to enter the ship.
That's true.
Ayun, kita lang maigi guys kasi kung may loss,
From the ship.
magkaroon ng drop dito. Maraming drop.
Let's put our entrance over here.
Yan, mag-share natin yung
I
ano.
put a trapdoor here to be our entrance and
Yan
exit.
guys.
Now to use blocks of glass to
Ay,
replace the
calibrate
floor
muna
of the
natin
ship.
to. Hindi pa pala nakalibrate.
Just like
Calibrate na.
this.
Start calibration. May ibang method ng pagkakalibrate ito. Set lang natin sa instacal. Instacal.
Woohoo!
Yung kable.
This many security
Ito
measures.
guys, yung
The
gamitin.
Kraken doesn't
Instacal.
scare me at all anymore.
Yan guys, yung
I
kable.
don't know, Mikey.
Nakakonect.
Just in case the Kraken
Yan yung
manages to break
instruction
through
niya.
everything,
Kung paano.
let's set up the ship
Tapos
to
measure na natin.
self-destruct.
A self-destruct security measure?
Yan.
Do we really need that?
Measuring.
We have so much security in
Open
place
port.
already.
Just
Short.
in case we need it.
I
May
get
measure
it.
niya.
Now, let's put it around here. Let's set up the super ultimate explosive. This one.
Whoa!
Then, I'll place the
Calibration
activation
is
right next to
on.
it.
Okay na. Tapos na siya
Now,
mag-calibrate.
this is a powerful explosive.
Tapos na siya mag-calibrate.
If the torpedoes have no effect on the Kraken, we'll detonate the ultimate explosive to blow
Mag-test na
up
natin
the
tayo
ship
mga
and take the Kraken down with
mag-test
it.
tayo ng kable ngayon.
Hang on. Won't we get caught in the explosion too?
We'll be fine. We'll have an escape
Ito yung kable na gagamitin.
Oh, awesome.
Itong 1 meter na RF cable.
Something like this.
Whoa.
Connect lang natin dito.
Now
Sa
our
connector
security
na to.
system is ready to go. Let's wait for the Kraken to show up.
Yay! We're definitely gonna slay the Kraken.
Yan. Ngayon hindi pa natin na yung
It's dark
click yung marker. Yung
But the
pick.
Kraken hasn't shown up at all yet.
Yung marker to pick.
Oh, hang on.
Sa 5 meters pa siya.
Let's try to provoke the Kraken by fishing.
I-marker to pick natin.
Sure.
Ayan guys, 1 meter.
All right, Mikey. Here.
1 meter siya.
Thanks.
If we catch a squid, it might anger the Kraken and force it to show up.
Do you really think the Kraken will show up because of that?
Well,
That
we
was-
won't know if we don't try.
Oh, I got a squid. Woohoo!
Okay na to guys.
That might be enough to anger the Kraken and make it show up.
Really?
Okay na yan.
There's a shadow under the ship. It's probably the Kraken.
You're right.
Let's check out the depth charges.
Okay na itong
Here
isa.
we go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ay guys, pag nakita mo, pag niklik ko yung marker to pick, pag walang kable na nakakabit,
I don't want to get eaten by the Kraken.
naging 0 siya.
We still have our entire security system, so we should be fine. The depth charges are coming into view. Wait, is that the Kraken below us? First, we
Check
have
natin
the
itong
depth
isa.
charges.
Alpha na natin to.
Hope this works.
Okay na to.
Whoa, the depth charges are going off.
Okay na yan. Ito naman yung isa.
The Kraken?
Ito yung isa.
They didn't affect the Kraken at all. It's still moving. It wasn't enough firepower. Come on.
Ito yung isang,
Next, we have the capture net
isang
security
sighting
measure.
star.
Let's lead it there. Here it comes.
Frequency.
Okay, it's coming.
start frequency.
I'll use this remote to activate
Ay,
it.
dali
It's
lang.
here. All right. 3, 2, 1, click. Well, nice. We caught the Kraken in the capture net.
Incredible! Now it's time to slay the Kraken!
It can't leave the net.
That was easy.
Hang on, Mikey. Look at it. It's destroying the net.
Are you kidding?
The net.
What's that, Vince? What do you want to watch? What do you want? Do you want to watch? Sa mga bago nating dating na audience dyan, magandang umaga sa inyo guys. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita sa ating channel. Magkakalibrate tayo ng Site Master. Itong Site Master, ito yung brand Andritso, model S331L, cable and antenna analyzer. Yan, break natin. Application is loading, and then balik natin itong insta cable vibration. Kita na natin. Kita na natin yan. And then calibration. Calibrate natin install calibration, and then measure. And ongoing calibration siya. Antay lang natin matapos magpa-calibrate. Ayan, tapos na siya mag-calibrate. Test na tayo ng kable ngayon. Hindi pala natin na bago yung ano nito guys. Yung cabling measure natin. Set up natin. Yung cable. Balikan natin. Balikan natin yung cable. Yan yung kadalasan na ginagamit din ng kable. FX12 50G. Ayan. Calibrate na natin ulit guys. Kasi nagbago tayo ng calibrate natin ulit. Nagbago tayo ng settings. Calibrate natin ulit.
Well, at least I have my stuff. Will you please stop breaking my stuff?
Bago tayo yung settings.
Well, that doesn't mean you have to do it.
Calibrate.
Hey there. Look at that.
Ongoing calibration.
Was that even necessary? Well, at least I have my rule.
Calibration
Well, at least I have my
complete.
stuff. Will you
Complete na yung
please
calibration.
Stop breaking my stuff.
Test tayo ng kable.
Well, that doesn't mean you have to do it. Oh.
Test tayo ng 1 meter cable. Ito yung 1 meter cable. Test natin. Kunin natin dito. Yung marker niya. Marker to pick. Yan, 0, 0. Kasi wala pang nakakabit na kable dyan. Yan, 0 meters. Marker to pick niya. Pag nilagyan natin ng kable, ng wire dito. Yan, napapansin nyo guys, nagbabago yung drop niya. Ano? Pag walang kable, ayan, wala, di ba? Pag binanilagay natin ng kable, ayan, nagbabago yung drop niya. Ayan, yung kable na. Marker to pick. Click natin yung marker to pick.
Let's help speed. This candy tastes
Ayan guys, 1 meter.
Come on, let's start cleaning before it's easy to get dirty. Nice one, Ronaldo. We did it.
Pag dinugtungan natin ng kable, itong kable na ito, 0.5 meters.
Honey, look at this.
Dugtong natin dito.
Help him anymore.
Dugtong natin dito.
Hey, what happened?
Dugtong natin dito guys.
Video and subscribe to the
Ayan guys, mapapansin nyo. Nagbabago yung graph pag dinugtungan natin ng kable.
what?
Ayan, nagbabago yung graph niya.
Help us. Here, speed some Robux for you. Thanks, Dr. Beast. If you want Robux,
Nagbabago yung graph pag dinugtungan natin ng kable.
this candy tastes amazing. Hey, come on, let's start cleaning before it's
Hirap ano to.
Nice one, Ronaldo. We did it. I want to eat more.
Lost na yung thread nito siguro.
We won't stop eating candy.
Problema.
I'm thirsty. Why don't I just drink some honey?
Ayan, connect na natin yung 0.5 meters. Tapos marker to pick natin.
Look at this. We won't be able to
Ayan,
help him anymore. Time to brush
naging 1.5 meters na siya.
Hey, what happened?
Naging 1.5 meters nung dinugtungan natin ng kable.
And subscribe to the channel.
Marker to
I
pick.
need a dentist.
1.5 meters.
My teeth have cavities. Relax, Speed. I got this. What?
Ayan.
Speed, help us. Here, Speed, some Robux for you. Thanks, Dr. Beast. If you want Robux, say,
Ang kaya natin ito. Ulitin nga natin ito isa.
not. Say,
Ulitin nga natin ito isa guys.
No. Say. Say.
Ito yung isa. Ulitin nga natin ito isa. Natin ulit. Loading OS. Unreached so site master. Application loading.
On the top of the world!
Loading siya.
The baby! I'm warning you! I'm warning you! You're ugly! You're ugly! Oh, I'm ugly! You're ugly! Where's the mistake? I'm cute!
Still loading. Application loading. 50%.
On the top of the world!
50% loading.
Baby! I'm warning you!
Sa mga bago nating dating na bisita dyan. Magandang umaga sa inyo guys.
Where's the mistake? I'm cute!
What?
Don't need it.
Oh,
On the
I don't know. This way.
baby! I'm warning you!
Anyways,
You're ugly! You're ugly!
application loading 75%.
Where's the
Application loading 75%.
I'm cute! No. You see? I'm the
Yeah.
top of the world!
Yeah, it's me.
The baby!
Application
I'm
loading
warning you!
95%.
I'm ugly.
Calibrate natin. Set mo pala natin yung kable.
I'm cute.
Advance setup.
Nope. I'm the top of the world. But
Standard setup.
I'm warning you. You're ugly.
Oh, oh, oh. Advanced settings.
I'm
Ay,
cute.
pala dito.
Nope.
Ito.
I'm the top of the world.
Set lang natin yung kable niya. Cable. Ito natin. Cable list.
I'm right behind you.
Cable list. Set natin. FEX12B. Set natin yung kable. Yan yung kadalasan ginagamit nila. FEX. FEX. Ano na yan? FEX50. Ayan. Tapos enter natin. Tapos mag set natin yung ay batuhin kita dyan pusa na to. Standard calibration frequency start frequency 860 MHz stop frequency 2100 MHz tapos yung distance zero meters stop frequency 10 meters. Ayan na, maset na tayo. Calibration na tayo. Calibrate tayo. Start calibration. Start calibration tayo. Start calibration. Oh, be sure. Going calibration. Measuring load, measuring port 1. Calibration complete. Complete calibration.
Ronaldo, you go sleep with the mind flayer. Messi, you go hunt through
Complete
the player's
calibration.
soul. And I'm going to jet ski with Sakura.
Complete calibration.
Sasuke, come back, everyone. This is the right way. But before we continue, like and subscribe if you love Ronaldo. Okay,
Yes.
let's move on. Messi, you
Pag walang nakakabit na kable,
Doctor Strange. Sasuke, you go burn your ass
0
on the
meters.
flaming metal chair. Are you ready?
Huwag natin itong
Ronaldo. No, please save me.
5 meters na cable.
Ronaldo. Ronaldo, go to the Minecraft
Connect
world.
natin ito.
Mr. Beast, you go sing on that
Yung
concert stage. And I'm gonna go on a date with Georgina.
1 meter na kable.
Hey, stop right there.
And then,
Completely wrong.
after to pick. Ayan guys. 1 meter. 1 meter.
Hindi nga kayo.
1 meter siya. Marker to pick. 1 meters. 1 meters. Tapos pag dinagdagan natin ng 0.5 meters. So, 0.5 meters.
Ah,
0.5 1.5 meters. Marker to pick. Yan. Marker to pick ay uy, taken. Marker to pick. Marker to pick. Marker to pick. Marker to pick.
Today, Mikey and I are gonna split up this Skywalk world
Marker to
to
pick.
compete to find out who's better at raising a
Marker to
baby.
pick.
Raising a baby?
Yan, 1.5 meters.
So now, right in front of us,
1.5
there's a
meters.
block
Very
with
light
pictures
po.
of an island on it. And destroying it starts the competition.
Okay.
1.5 meters.
Sure.
Yay! Here I go. 3, 2, 1, yay!
No? Whoa!
Oh,
2 islands appeared.
Double check pa nga natin ito isa.
cool.
Check pa nga natin ito isa.
Whoa! What? What just happened?
Set na ba?
Mikey, it looks like we
System.
were both warped to our islands.
Oh, you're right.
Nakaset na ba yung date and time?
Oh, there's a chest here.
Here too.
Yan, Sunday ngayon, February
Well, it
8,
seems.
2026. 11:12
a set of wooden
AM.
survival tools.
Mine has the same set.
11:12
Let's chop
AM.
down some trees. That way, we can modify our environment to make it
Makakalibrate
suitable for
na to,
raising
no?
babies.
All right. I'm doing it too.
Frequency. Cable less. Yan, nakaset na
Hang
pala
on,
tayo.
there's something over here. Some kind of block has appeared
natin
on the
mag-
central island.
Oh, you're right. Look at that.
Mag-test ng kable.
Let's check it out. I'll gather up some dirt to build a bridge.
Good idea.
Test tayo ng
I'm
kable.
heading there.
Okay.
I'll start by placing these blocks.
Yan.
I'm here.
Abit natin itong connector.
Right here. What could this
And then,
It's...
marker to pick.
Oh, there's a picture of a baby on it.
Oh, there's probably a baby inside of it. Can I break it open?
Marker to pick.
Okay. Here I go.
1 meter.
2, 1. Yeah.
Connect natin itong dugtong natin itong
Nothing even happened.
0.5 meters.
What was that all about then? Oh,
0.5 meters.
something's falling from the sky.
What is it?
Marker to pick.
Looks like a bed with
Ayan.
a baby in it.
Detect na.
Wow.
Well,
Sige,
let's go
guys,
to our
okay na to.
islands and raise those babies. The competition is to see
Calibrate na natin.
who can raise their baby better.
I may not look it
Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo guys.
really well. So for me, raising a baby will be a piece of cake.
I think it'll be pretty tough.
Stop na tayo guys.
It's gonna be so easy.
Well, let's both do our best.
Okay.
I'm gonna go find my baby.